Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to redeem Avios points on British Airways. So what you're gonna have to do is simply search for redeem Avios points British Airways on Google, and then at the top you're gonna see a link. Simply click on that and then you're gonna get redirected here, and basically you can choose your reward. So as you can see, you can get reward flights, you can get upgrades, you can basically pay with Avios, and you can even use to pay for flights and vacations. So what you're gonna have to do is simply choose what you want to use these points and then simply click on book, and then after that you're gonna get redirected to that specific page. And as you can see, I've selected the flight, so here you're gonna have to simply choose from which country to which country, then simply choose the outbound, inbound, the travel class, the passengers, and then simply click on find flights, and then basically they're gonna suggest you flights, and basically after you log into your account you can basically book those flights with your Avios points. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.